everybody, welcome to Traveling to See. And today we're looking at Waffle Houses across the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Waffle Houses go from border to border all along southern Mississippi. They are awesome. And check out our other top 5 restaurant videos for other Mississippi communities. And you'll see them at the Traveling to See channel. So like and subscribe so you can check them out. And we get no compensation for promoting the restaurants that we frequent and enjoy. So these are our picks. I hope they're useful to you. So now on about the Waffle House. Well, the Waffle House, the one on Biloxi Beach, is an elevated Waffle House and has a beach view. You know, Waffle Houses serve the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and if you don't know what one is, you got to go try it. Multiple locations, often near the interstate, along the coast. Consistent, great quality, very good service. Open 24/7, and there's a hurricane index related to Waffle House. Watch to the end to learn about the Waffle House hurricane index. So now if we go to the Waffle House website, we can see they've got a very good website. And as you can see, they've got this solid all-American food, breakfast, lunch, dinner. They're open 24 hours a day. You find a store. To find a store, if you're just pop it up on your phone, you can find a store near you. There's food on the website, and you can check and see the food they've got for breakfast. My grandsons love this place. We often, when we're together, we'll go to Waffle House on the way to church and just have a great time. Always look forward to it. And you can see they've got hash browns are really great too. And for lunch, they've got burgers and Texas melts, some classic dinners, sandwiches, hash brown bowls, pies. And they've got some other things at their website as well. They've got their story. This tells how Waffle House came to be. It all started back in 1955. Two neighbors, Joe Rogers Sr. and Tom Fortner, together opened a 24-hour sit-down restaurant for their friends and neighbors. And now, all these years later, now there are 1,900 locations in 25 states, all open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And they're good to their customers, and they're good to their employees as well. And also, at the website, it tells about the Waffle House Museum. They actually have a museum in Decatur, Georgia, where the first restaurant stood. And that is now a museum, and have to go and check that out sometime. But now, how about that hurricane index? Is that a joke? No, it's not a joke. This is for real. Here's an article from USA Today back in 2021 that tells about the Waffle House Index. You see, they're open 24/7, and they really hate to close. So if after a hurricane, if they're open, it's green. If they're partially open, it's yellow. And if the Waffle House is closed, the index is a red. And as a Katrina survivor, I can tell you, Waffle House was the first ones open. Hey, we love our Waffle House. All right, here we are on Father's Day at Waffle House. My grandson, Braxton. Say hi, Braxton.
Hi.
So, what do you think of Waffle House?
8.5 out of 10.
All right, all right. And he got some eggs, he got some ham, and this is my grandson Winston.
Hello.
And what do you think of Waffle House?
Like 7.
7. Well, I give it a 10 because I get to eat here with my grandsons. Keep traveling.